Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for August and it is Glossybox. This is the box that it arrives. We've got a special edition box. It says beautiful. If you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's in their August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward. This is a PR box and they send them out to me early, so then you can decide whether it's a box for you or not. Because the July box is not sold out, then if you really want to subscribe to this box, then wait until the 1st of August and then you'll be able to subscribe and receive this one. I've got a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off. Pop the code down below in my description, as well as all other links to the subscription and any other limited editions they have, and all my other discount codes and offers for other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. You'll find it all down below, so you're welcome to take a look. So this is Glossybox UK. There are other Glossy boxes around the world, but what you're seeing in this video is solely for the UK. It costs £13.50 a month and that includes shipping, and you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside the box you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from anything beauty related: skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, nails, and we've had the odd freebie like chocolates and things like that and little perfumes. I've been subscribing on and off to Glossybox for 7 years, so a long time, and in that time I believe they've only gone up by 25p, so it remains one of the cheaper subscription boxes out there. Yeah, as with all mystery boxes, some months are better than others. We sometimes see a few repeats as well, but if you're not happy you are able to cancel the subscription and rejoin again at a later date if you want to, but you don't have to. So yeah, so let's get on to then showing you what's inside. I haven't seen any spoilers, haven't got a clue what's inside. There will be a QR code that I'm able to scan, but because it's early I might not be able to share any information, but we'll have a look anyway. As soon as I know more about this box and about different variations and maybe a sneak peek for the following month, then I'll post it up everywhere, on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, on my YouTube community tab, my link tree, my Twitter, everywhere. It's all Diaryofabeautygeek if you're not already following me. This is what the box looks like. Okay, a little sneak peek. You're not going to see much there, but it's bold, brave and beautiful is the theme this month. So well, let's see if I can get any information. It's taken me to the July box, so as soon as I know more information I will let you know. There's 5 beauty products and 2 freebies. So starting off with the beauty items, we have got here from Glove, this is a mask remover. Effortless beauty, innovative fibre technology, removes cosmetic masks with water. Got it in a little pouch. It's a microfiber cloth. You just put your hand in there, just makes it easy. It's like a flannel, a traditional old-fashioned flannel. I know a lot of you still use them and swear by them because they have like a gentle sort of exfoliation sort of feeling to them. Not too harsh on your skin, but you know, it really gets in there and it gets off the dirt and stuff. Very similar, but you've got a little pouch there to put your hand. I have got one of these already, especially clay masks. Clay masks are a nightmare to get off. It takes a while to get every little bit of mask off. Here's handy. Using one of these just makes it easier. So we've got a glove mask remover. Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This brings back memories. I remember when I first subscribed to Glossybox, we used to get a lot of Bella Pierre products. Do you remember the banana powder? Unfortunately for me, it just didn't look right on my skin, but I know a load of you loved it, but every time I received it I had to give it away. This is a HD finishing powder and it's in translucent. Ooh, can you see there? Great for applying with a tiny little brush because you've got less powder on the brush. Tap it off and just apply it like under your eyes, T-section mainly. If you've got oily skins, what I used to do, use loose powder with a big brush all over my face, and then I used to go in with a little powder puff then and just pat in what was there already. So you get a lighter finish than a pressed powder. Depends on what you like, isn't it? Depends on what the finish you like of your skin. So yeah, so there's that. I haven't tried this one though, so I can't tell you about it. Then we got CRT London. This is a velvet lip liner in shade Cocoa. It's the outer packaging. There. Twist it. Alright, I won't do it too high or else I'll snap it off. Yeah, it's a nice universal shade. Like a very neutral pinky brown. Does it say anything about it here? Long lasting formula. So we've got a lip liner. Then we've got a powder puff by Spectrum. And this is a velvet powder puff. Powder puff. So this will go with your powder. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Look. That's really, really pretty. I love these. I received one of these in a different beauty box. Was it last month or the month before? And they're just really nice for getting right in there underneath the eyes, getting in at your nose. Oh, I do really like it. Powder puffs have become huge over the last couple of months over on TikTok. And I've been using them. I'm an old school makeup artist. Well, I'm not really a makeup artist anymore, but I have trained in makeup and hair and things years and years and years ago, and I've been using them for the last, what, 30 odd years? No longer. 35 years I've been using them. Something like that. I just find them so nice, especially when I had really, really bad acne and I needed to be careful that I don't rub off concealer and things. So patting the powder on top to seal it all in. Yeah, these are just nice and gentle, soft. And goes with your powder if you want to use that. And then the last item of the beauty products, we've got Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner, and there's 20 mils there. So those are the 5 beauty items. Then we've got 2 freebies. We've got a sachet of Neutrogena. This is Hydra Boost. This is a Hydra Boost. I think this is a water-based moisturizer. Doesn't say on the back, but I think so. I think so. It's like a nice gel type formula. I think so anyway. I don't know. So there's that. And we got a sweet treat. We've got chocolate. And it says here, in case of emergency, break sleeve for a petite pause. This is the Glossybox. Celebrate 10 years of pioneering indulgence without compromise. Follow us and be the first to hear about our upcoming collabs. Oh, so Glossybox was going 3 years before I started subscribing to them. Gosh, 10 years ago. That's bonkers, isn't it? We have got here a Rhythm 108. This is a vegan almond and sea salt with creamy Swiss chocolate. 44% less sugar. Handy for me, and I crave sugar like anything. So I've got to be really careful. I'll have that later. Okay, to recap, we have got a mask removing cloth from Glove. Got a Bella Pierre translucent loose powder. We've got a velvet lip liner in cocoa, which is like a nudie pinky brown shade by Ciati London. We've got a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Conditioner. We've got this really cute Spectrum powder puff. So those are the main items in the Glossybox for this month. As of yet, I don't know if there's any variations, but as soon as I find out, I will let you know. And then we've got the Neutrogena sachet and the chocolate bar, which is always a bonus. So looking at these, we've got 4 full-size items here. Do you know what would have made this box really, really good? Because these 3 sort of go together, makeup, connection and that. It would have been nice, instead of this, which is a conditioner, it would have been really nice to have a face mask, so it pairs well with this mask removing cloth. But yeah, what do you think? What do you think of the August Glossybox? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.